And also, how difficult is it for you to stay with one subject for a year and a half, and then part ways, and suddenly jump like abhi apan baat kare, like right now if we talk, Singham, itna intense action film. Suddenly one day you are like, मेरे को switch off करके गोलमाल के world में जाना है.
I think it's important. It's like that keeps you. That it's like, for me, it's like a detox. You know, such a big film you've made, and now you want to do something. And the whole atmosphere also when you're making a Golmaal is lighter, happier, and it's. So you want to be in, because you make a film. You make a film in 100 days, 120 days, whatever. That's it. But the whole journey has to be happy. I think that's more important for me. And I look forward, like whenever it's such a big Singham after Singham, I want to be in that world where it is lighter and happier, and I'm not worried about, one more action sequence of teams from abroad are coming, too much of special effects. I've done that now. So that is also like a breather for me.
But what was the, like, when you talk of breather, what was the atmosphere like when you had these 6 stars on the set? Ajay sir, for you, what was it like? What were the interactions like when you're shooting an intense action scene and off set you're just probably having fun?
No, it's just normal working with colleagues. I mean, Ranveer kept you busy all the time by talking rubbish all the time. So, so that's that, and you learn a lot from about the industry from Bebo, Karina, because she has all the gossips in the world. So, yeah, so it was that.
And Rohit sir, how is it to handle these 6 people on the set?
Not really. It's not. It looks like a stars, but as I told you, like everybody comes on set like a technician. They're there for the film. So it's never. I've never seen ever in so many films that okay, I'm the star. ऐसा होता नहीं है. It's never like this. Everyone just come to work, and like a lightman will also work hard, and at the same time a superstar will also work hard when he's on the set, and everybody's working for the film.
It's about hard work. Like Ajay sir said, you are hardworking, so everyone else around will automatically get that energy.
Definitely.
Now we have taken some questions from your fans from the social media first, who have sent in, and then we'll move on to the fan questions over here. So first question is for Ajay sir from Nishant. Ajay sir, do you plan to make films in unsung hero franchisee? We love Tanaji.
Yes, we're working on something. As soon as we lock on the script.
Rohit sir, I'm a big fan of Akshay Kumar. Is there a plan for Suryavanshi 2 anytime soon? We loved the cameo in Singham again.
As I said that again a cop film will take a bit tougher time, maybe a year or so. But then yes, after that I'll plan. It's too early to say which one I'll start first.
Ajay sir, could you tell us something on Son of Sardar 2? This is a question from Nitin.
I have been shooting, in fact, yesterday and tomorrow again, I'm shooting for Son of Sardar. So we've literally finished the film.
I think the crowd reactions over here also speaks about how we are actually shifting towards the franchisee space where
That's exactly what I told you, because they know that they've had a great experience, so they wouldn't mind having another one.
We loved Ranveer Singh in Simba. Can we see Simba 2, a standalone Simba film very soon, or can we see Simba in a Golmaal universe?
That will become too much. मेरे पे तरस खाओ. That universe coming here, this universe going there. Simba will happen, obviously. That's most loved character from the cop universe. But again, as I said, that we'll concentrate on a comedy and then we'll come back, because it will become too much for the audience as well. Constantly just making cop films, for the since Simba 2018, I would say.
Ajay sir, you were to direct a jungle adventure film. Is that still on cards?
We're working on a few things right now. Nothing is planned as yet.
Rohit sir, if you were to direct a Chulbul Pandey versus Singham film, would you make it as a standalone Chulbul Pandey Singham film, or would you make it as a universe?
No, that has to be standalone.
Ajay sir, we loved jungle adventure comedy in Dhamal. Are you making Dhamal 4? We are really looking forward.
Yes.
लोगों को को franchises बहुत पसंद है. Like, मुझे भी आज ही even I am discovering with you about why franchisee films are being the talk of the town in today's time. So yeah. And now we have taken questions from all the fans over here. Before we get the questions, I also want to thank Roaring Bullet for being our event partner. I want to thank Kshitij, Mitibhai. I want to thank all the... And I want to thank all the Pink Villa readers for being here. So now we can move on to the fan questions. They are there in the chits. We can pick them up and they can ask the questions.
Manoj.
Hi Rohit ji, I'm a great fan of you. Rohit is always known as a hitman. So when will the hitman come out of the Khatro Ka Khiladi and get into the zone and get us more and more about Singham and others? So you said Golmaal. So can we expect Golmaal by next June or how?
Now that pressure don't put on me on a release date.
No, the
Come
pressure has to be on. Nah?
It will
Otherwise,
come, means we'll make the film happily and it will come when it has to come. And obviously when we start, like we are very quick, like we don't take much of a time. Like Singham also took 1 year.
yeah.
But don't put a date, please.
No,
Otherwise
not a
it will be
date.
everywhere.
The kettle has to be hot because nobody likes cold tea. It's always cold coffee. Rohit is hit and hot, not a cold coffee.
It will come soon, for sure.
Okay. Thank you.
Abhijit Desai.
Hello, Roj sir and Ajay sir. My question is for Ajay sir. You are an actor, you are a director, and you are also a producer. Which role do you like the most, and which one do you find more challenging?
I think bottom line is filmmaking. Filmmaking includes everything. Somebody just asked me outside, if you weren't in the film industry, what would you be doing? I really have no idea because I know nothing else, I would say. So I love all three. And whatever I do, I fall in love with it. That's why I do it. So I will not be able to differentiate in it.
Thank you.
Anushka Shah.
Hello Ajay sir. So you're currently making Son of Sardar 2, De De Pyar De, Dhamal 4 and Golmaal 5. So is there any other film of yours that there will be a part 2 of, or any film that you hope has a franchise of soon?
Yeah, so Shaitan is being written. And Drishyam has also been written.
So we'll have to revise the entire Pav Bhaji Goa thing again for Drishyam.
Krisha Shah.
Hello Ajay sir, hello Rohit sir. I'm a big fan of both of y'all. My question is for Ajay sir. If Kshitij was a thing when you were in college, who would be the first celebrity that you'd like to be seen for Kshitij, performing for Kshitij?
Whose celebrity should be performing here?
Yeah, on the stage for Kshitij.
I think you all should call Ranveer Singh. He really entertains everybody.
Thank you so much, sir.
Vidhi Sangvi.
So hi sir. Again, like you all previously said, all of us over here, and especially me, I'm a big fan of All the Best. It's like one of my favorite comedy sequel. So could you all please make a part 2 of it, like All the Best 2. All of us want one.
Okay, so we are going back for year, making total Dhamal, Son of Sardar 2.
All the sequels.
Golmaal 5, All the Best, Drishyam and Shaitan. So we are booked for 2 years because of you guys. Our life is set for the coming 2 years.